What's up, everybody? So I'm here to show you how to varnish a painting using Kamar Varnish by Krylon. I was always very hesitant to do this to paintings just because it might change the coloration over time, but they assure you that this is non-yellowing. So we'll find out later, I guess, in a year. But everybody swears by this stuff, so I'll read you a couple of the main criteria and then I'll just show you the process quickly of doing it. The main thing is this will cover 15 to 20 square feet of paintings. And this is supposed to be applied in a well-ventilated area, which I'm not going to do today. 55 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, low humidity, apply to paint that's cured and dry. So that's the main criteria that you need to follow. The other thing is that this will work on acrylic, oil, watercolor, so basically any painting it'll work on. And the other main thing is that you really need to make sure that you shake this up a lot ahead, so 2 minutes of shaking ahead of time. It dries in about 15 minutes and you can handle it in 2 hours. Some other things that are important to know: test spray an area of it ahead to see if it's going to have a negative effect on the painting. I think it's kind of too late at that point. Hold the can 10 to 12 inches away from the surface. Spray in a sweeping motion. I'm going to do 2 passes horizontally and then a single pass vertically, which I'll show you. You can apply multiple coats. You can paint on top of this afterwards too, which is nice. So if you need to make any edits afterwards, you're welcome to do that too. So let's give this a shot. Here's today's subject. I finished painting this yesterday. I titled it Wrestlers. The other thing is you're going to want to wear a mask for sure because this stuff stinks. But this is an area in the basement that is, again, not well ventilated. I don't use it too often, but I do when I have to spray things. Okay, so this is a new can, but what I'll do first is just make sure there's nothing in the nozzle and that there's a clean spray coming out. I'm just going to spray the newspaper just to get an idea. So that came out pretty good right there. So that to me means it's not going to send out a chunk onto the painting or anything like that. So we're looking good there, and yeah, this stuff really does smell, no doubt about it. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to stay about that distance away at a little bit of an angle, and since this is a canvas, I'm going to do a quick pass around the outside at the end. So we're going to do 2 passes on the horizontal and then 1 pass vertically. All right, here we go. You can see the colors do really pop once it's sprayed. So that's 1. 2. We'll do 1 more, doing verticals. Okay. Now the sides probably got hit pretty good already, but I'm going to do a quick perimeter. Alright, that should do it. So basically at that point, 15 minutes it should be dry, and then from there you're going to be able to handle it within 2 hours. So I'm just going to leave it right where it is. But you can see the colors really pop, and it also covers up some of the imperfections. If some of the paint dried out a little bit, it sort of washes that together a little bit. Like I had some cracks in the paint that were pretty fine, and this kind of might gloss over that a little bit, which is nice. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please like and subscribe, and I really appreciate your support, and have a good rest of your day.